Welcome to LiveLeanTV. I'm Brad Guthrie from LiveLeanTV.com. So on today's episode, I'm sharing how to make a quick and easy egg salad recipe that is super tasty. So guys, a few days ago, I filmed an episode called 7 Healthy Food Swaps to Burn Belly Fat. And in that episode, I recommended that you swap out pasta salad for egg salad. Now, based on that recommendation, someone asked for a healthy egg salad recipe. And this got me thinking that even though we have filmed over 200 step-by-step cooking videos, I don't think I've ever shared my go-to quick and easy egg salad recipe. So since you asked, I'm delivering the goods. Because to be honest, guys, I truly appreciate that you're still subscribed to our channel after all these years that we've been here on YouTube. Aww. So let's get into this quick and easy egg salad recipe. This recipe makes 4 servings, so here are the ingredients. 2 tablespoons of avocado oil based mayonnaise that you can also use an olive oil based mayonnaise, but if your mayo has soybean oil or any other vegetable oil in it, throw it out. 2 tablespoons of DIJON mustard. 9 hard-boiled eggs. 1 celery stalk. 1/4 of a cucumber. 1 teaspoon of dried dill. 1 teaspoon of paprika. A dash of sea salt, and a dash of black pepper. So here's the instructions, guys. Roughly chop up the 9 hard-boiled eggs. Add the chopped eggs to a big bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons of DIJON mustard to the bowl. Slice up the celery stalk and add it to the bowl. Slice up 1/4 of a cucumber and add it to the bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of dried dill, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and a dash of black pepper and a dash of sea salt. Mix all the ingredients together in the bowl and enjoy. So the nutrition info: per serving, calories 213, protein 14 grams, carbohydrates 1 gram, and fat 17 grams. So there you go, Lively Nation. This tasty egg salad recipe is an excellent low-carb option that is so quick and easy to make. So if you're excited about this and you're ready to level up your nutrition, guys, go join our team at Team Live Lean to get access to our weekly meal plans, which contain the step-by-step cooking recipe videos just like this one, also grocery lists, and a brand new workout program every month. I can't wait to see you guys join our team of like-minded Live Leaners so we can all help you stay accountable to your Live Lean journey. Let's do this. So thanks for watching, guys, and keep living lean.